Wayne.
Okay, lean in. Okay. What? Welcome back. Welcome back, viewers. Oh, what, you laughing at my glasses? No. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, I'm going to have to get my lime water out here before we get very far down the road. Today, I got a very exciting adventure. Some of you have been asking for this for a long time. And, should I say the man's name has been asking?
Yeah, I think you can.
Mr. Wayne Stewart. We're here for you, brother. Okay, now you know where we're at, don't you?
Today's the day.
Today's the day. Where are we? We're at Orange Grove. And away we go. Oh, gotta roll the window down. We're excited. We are truly excited because we've heard so much about this community. So, we're actually on the inroad here. Oh, I just don't know way to aim the camera yet. But we're not even down there yet. We're going to see the big sign down here.
Orange.
And we're going to show everybody the big sign.
And the bridge route goes that way.
Okay, children at play, drive slow. Well, people, we're going to drive slow. That's for sure.
So
what do we have here? We have, see, Orange Grove to the left and Bridgemont to the right.
So that's a security place?
I don't know what it is. Maybe that's a house for sale.
This?
I'm joking. Of course.
It could be security because there are some of these places like where the Prime Minister lives. You have security. Yeah, so it could be.
Well, I can't hardly. Oh, it could be, the King Alarm people or something are set up in there.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I kind of have this planned out. How I'm going to do it, people.
Oh, but there's a banana walk here.
Okay, there's, yeah. We're going to drive down. We're going to go to the right. We're going to go clear to the end. I'm going to do one side for sure on this one. And we're going to, oh my gosh.
Those houses look
people
so
were not joking when they said about this neighborhood. I'll tell you that for sure. That house is being remodeled or worked on, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's working.
Oh my goodness sakes! Oh, Mr. Wayne Stewart, we love you. Wow! Look at this! Look at this!
This one is similar to that one that is repairing.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, even that.
Oh my
even
goodness
this one,
sakes.
like.
Now, I got to say, I understand this neighborhood has won some sort of awards or something. And I can certainly see why. I'm going to get the camera up here, and hopefully I got the right angle to it. Oh my goodness. There's no reason to drive any faster than this, people.
Car is coming.
Yeah. I don't even know, what to say here. I don't even know what, because it's just so much beauty every which way. How do you even know? So we're on Banana Walk. You don't even know hello, good day. You don't even know which houses to talk about or what. Oh, let's see what kind of dog we got here. Is this tail wagging? I don't know where he's at. Maybe he's on the other side.
On this.
Oh, he's on that side. Well, I'm going to do one side at a time. I got it all planned out. I've been looking over the map all last night. Been beside myself looking. But just look at the immaculate lawns and landscaping. It's just like everything is so perfect. It's just like the perfect community, sweetie.
They have ivy growing. I would not want them to grow on my house.
Yeah, but it's pretty, and the way they've trimmed it like a hedge.
Like 40 legs.
Well, I know, but
centipede.
I don't want to 40 legs.
No, I would not want them on my house.
But look at the bougainvillea. Look at that bougainvillea. Yes, oh my goodness, is that in that house? I would, you know what? I haven't seen a house yet I wouldn't want to live in. I'll be honest with you, people. I have not seen a house yet that I would not want to live in. Wow, 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 wow. See, now this has that kind of that bluish gray color that we like.
Yes.
It looks so what am I trying to say? What's the word? So majestic. Majestic is the word.
So
we're stately.
elegant.
We're stately.
I would say elegant.
Elegant. Elegant's another word. Majestic. Stately. Wow.
Well, look at those
now this house looks like it's empty, but you know what? Somebody's going to buy it and remodel it and fix it up and clean it up, and it's going to look just like all these others. Oh my goodness! See, this house goes way back.
It's big.
Way back.
It's big.
You know, this is not like a new neighborhood at all. But these houses, here's another one that's got that bluish gray color. Now they've got a little cream on it too. I got to put the camera up higher because I'm not sure y'all are going to be able to see up in there. I need to keep over too, so I'm a little bit further away.
And a dark gray right in the center there.
And I think my settings are pretty good for the way this neighborhood looks like it's going to be.
There's a lot of vehicle.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
So I will just.
We're still just on the very first road. We have to get all this done today. Oh my goodness! I'm just tickled.
Look at that window. How they do the grill.
Yes, because look.
It's outside.
Because they've got the windows that open out, so they catch the breeze. Oh, look at this house. Look at this house. This looks like something out of a magazine. This truly looks like something out of a magazine, people. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness sakes. Yeah, right out of a magazine. Right out of a magazine. Isn't that something? Isn't that something? Wow. And we barely got started. We have barely got started.
I just like to look on those houses on the hill over there.
Now, here's something I do not know and I did not plan for. This road here takes us over to that road came in when we came in the back way that day we got rained out and couldn't film.
Oh, this road.
That road, yeah, it'll take us over there. Oh, look at this. It's got some of that tuna cactus. It's got some palm trees. It's got the bougainvillea. It's got the wooden door on the outside of the gate. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
It's the end road. It's road ends.
Yeah, see, that's a different.
Yeah.
It's a different. I'm not sure if it's a different neighborhood. Somebody's going to have to tell me.
Neighborhood watch orange.
Wow. I'm just in disbelief. This had been the first neighborhood we did, I think, if we'd have known it. Look at this house. Look at it. Look at it. And they've got those big windows bringing in the light up on that. And they've got a... Oh, you know, see how it's got the opening? Or see how it's got the tall roof and then the glass above the living room?
Like the ones that we went to...
In that what was the name of that neighborhood? I don't remember the name of the neighborhood.
I'm trying to... I don't remember.
I don't know why I can't think of it right now either. But
what circle? It was a circle?
Yes. Yeah, I don't know what it was. I can't remember. But anyway, people, you know what I'm talking about. And I think the title on it was something about unique architecture. And that has it. That house has it.
Banana Crescent. They love the word banana.
Banana room. I got to hold the camera down for this one because the trees are going to block my view. So I'm going to hold it down. But just look at that. Imagine that. Oh, look, they've got a little bistro table sitting on the front yard. You see it?
Yes, I see it.
I don't know if I got the camera in the right spot for people to see it or not, but I'm going to try to show it. If you could see that little bistro table up in there, people. See it? Wouldn't that be nice to sit out there in the morning and have your coffee and just relax and talk about everything, you know, and just, oh boy, oh boy. This is Banana Crescent. Well, there's a lot of banana. We're going bananas for the banana.
Yeah.
Banana for the bananas. Banana for the bananas.
So you're gonna do on this?
Yes, I've got it all planned out to go both directions.
Yeah, but this little apple tree and it's opening.
Yeah, and I'm sorry you can't see some of these as well as I can, sweetie.
No, you can see good on that side. I can see.
Yeah, yeah. Wow, wow. Now look at this house. That almost looks like a duplex.
It's big.
Yeah, it's really well kept too. Oh yeah, that is a duplex. That's nice. Oh yeah, see, look at the driveway. It's split. See?
Yeah, yeah. Okay. We have one family.
No, that's usually not how the duplex. I've lived in a duplex before, and you. Oh, look at the size of those pomegranates on that tree there.
Yeah.
See them?
Yeah.
See them, people?
They don't really take care of it, and that tree is choking it over it.
Yeah. And it's got one of those big pine trees. See how tall up it goes, people? Yeah. Sorry, I'm getting... I get to do all the commentary because I can see everything. You're on the other side. But this is flat enough, you know. That's a what?
The OTT apple
Oh, the
tree.
dark colored one.
That green tree behind those.
Yes, yeah. I'm going to back up so everybody can see what we're talking about.
But many people don't know what is a OTT apple.
See, people? Right there.
The outside is red and the inside is white. The skin is red when it's ripe.
Oh.
Sometimes it's so dark red, you know, very dark when it's well ripe.
I think I'm looking at the right thing. The tall one?
Yeah, this tall one.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, they've got a little koi pond that they walk over to get to their house. Oh. They got a little deck up there on top. That's nice.
Look at it.
Yeah. The landscaping here is just absolutely
gorgeous.
Yeah, to say the least. Oh, that's a nice little house. I like that. Now, somebody jump in and tell me what the style of these houses is. Because I'm not, let me make sure my angle's right on the camera too. I don't want to cut anything off. Okay.
Make sure the camera is working.
Oh, we got to beware of dog. Oh yeah, I got to make sure the camera's working. Let's see here. Let's come on, doggy.
Tom, stop it.
Oh, stop it. Okay.
I don't know why you do that.
They're remodeling there anyway. See, somebody's remodeling, so nobody's living there right now. So there's not a guard dog. But if there was, people, I would be calling for him to see if his tail wags or not. You know me. But just look at this landscaping. I mean, even some of the houses that maybe aren't quite as on point, or it's not necessarily a style that would be the style I'd go for. There's every one of these that the landscape I'd go for. That's for certain. Oh my word!
Oh, this one is remodeling.
What is this? Is some sort of mansion deal?
They're working on it.
Yeah.
It's big.
It really is. I think that's going to be my house someday. Well, I doubt it, but excuse me. Here, you want to open my lime water for me? Oh, now this is that a single family?
You know,
it sure is. It looks like it. Yeah, it looks like it.
It's open. It's open.
Yeah, it is big. It's open already? Thank you, sweetie. Excuse me. All right, I'm gonna have to cut that out. That might be too much for my people to handle. You know, every time we see a greenhouse, we're drawn to them. So for some reason, both of us have have a like for the greenhouse, you know.
Depends what kind of green.
Mm-hmm.
It's not evergreen.
Well, that's true. That's true. Now, what kind of tree is that?
That's a mango tree.
That's what I thought. And then this next one, what kind of tree is that?
This that's a OTT apple.
That's
tree.
an OTT?
Oh, yeah, OTT.
Otahiti? Otahiti apple? Ah.
One.
Good morning. We're doing a YouTube video for Red Button Journal. Now, do you know where Wayne Stewart lives? No, I don't. Okay, all right. Blessings. Have a good day. Beautiful neighborhood, you know? Yes.
Oh, the person who lives around here.
Well, I don't know. He maybe doesn't. He just wanted me to do
So why are you asking the man that question?
Well, I thought maybe he did live here. I don't know where he lives, but look at that. That's a bougainvillea. Look how tall it is.
Yeah.
I've never seen such a tall one. Wow.
I know a lot of the houses around here has that shape, the same shape.
Yes.
Like it was a realtor who built those houses and sell, you know.
But these people have turned it into
and some of them have changed that, because even this, they're all the same. Look,
yeah.
Even in front of
yeah.
they're all the same.
Oh, that's true. That's true. That's a good point, sweetie.
Yeah.
But look at how they're so adorned with the landscaping.
Yeah.
It just makes them just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that there. They have the little arch that goes into the back. There's a man working and trimming right now. Yeah, he's trimming the hedge there. Oh, I need to slow down here so people can see. Even the backyard. Look at the backyards of these houses. Can you see the backyards down there, people? Just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Now, let's see. Oh, that's where we came in there, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, here's the sign, the banana walk sign. Yeah, this is where we came in at. So then we keep going here, and then I tell you what, these backyards. I don't see a bistro table, but I see a little bistro chair in that backyard, and it just makes me want to move in. Oh, now here we go. Here we go. This is absolutely beautiful here. Look at this home. I'm sitting out on the nice cool veranda enjoying themselves. Good morning. Oh, that's nice. Oh, what's that little red flower there? See that?
I don't know.
See that?
I don't know. Orange Grove.
Now that's some papaya trees?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's got a little bit starting on it. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of fruit starting on it too. The landscaping here is absolutely breathtaking. But anyway, yeah, this is, I see why they won awards. This landscaping is just breathtaking. You're right, though. Each house is similar, but the colors and the landscaping.
And some of them you can see that they change this kind
Sweetie,
of.
I had to go a long way before I realized that these are all like nearly identical styles.
All right, look at the line of
Yeah, the roof line.
Same.
It's just identical.
Yeah,
I didn't even realize it. It took me a long time, a long time to realize it, because the landscaping is so unique. The colors are so unique. Just, you know, everybody's done their own thing in such a pretty way.
It's a housing scheme.
Look at the lawns. Just so nicely done. It's really a wonderful area. Really a wonderful area. Look it up on the side of the hill there.
That's what I'm looking at.
That's where we came that day we came in. The back way, we didn't know where we were going. We drove down that road, but then it started raining. Remember, it rained so hard we couldn't film.
That one there look like it's about 4 or 5 stories.
Oh, up there, yeah. Oh, look at this house. Now this is, see, it's like they've built on.
Yeah, you can see
they built on.
change.
Some of these they built on.
Yeah, they changed.
And this is really pretty. This is the way they've done it. You know, it really makes it stand out. Look at their front door too. See it? It's got that oval glass in it.
And that camera. To see. Oh, but it's like nearly all the houses have cameras.
Yeah.
See camera.
Huh. What kind of a plant is that tall one there with the pointies?
I don't know.
Huh.
I don't know.
And then they've got several unique plants in their yard. Their bush in front of by their front door too is kind of unique. Yeah, a lot of uniqueness to that house.
There is so many different plants here in Jamaica.
You know, you can't
It's
ever.
a tropical
Yeah.
climate, you know. All sort of stuff over here. And then you will find some more prevalent in one here than another. Yeah. You know, I like this color here. There's this sort of blue and white. This house over here.
Yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back here. We will be back here. We've done one side of this section. There's another section we'll go to after we've done this. In fact, I kind of intended to do it already, but I didn't. So I don't know why I didn't. I guess I forgot. There's another little section I wanted to do, but that's okay.
I see passion.
I see some passion fruit. Yes, I do too. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. All right. Well, we'll actually come by these houses, will we? No. I'm trying to think how I'm gonna. Well, I'm gonna just keep filming because I'm not sure. I'm just trying to think of my way. I forgot the one little area up in there.
It seemed like we came down here already.
Yeah, but
right?
we were on the other side though. See.
Yeah, because you were on this side. Yeah.
Yeah, I was aiming the
I
other
remember
way.
we passed the.
Yeah.
No, I was on that side.
You were over here,
yeah.
so you're. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know what kind of plant that is. See that? You want me to back up?
I see.
You see it?
I see it.
Yeah, that's.
I don't know.
That's pretty.
I don't know. You'd have to see the owners.
Oh, look at their little garden. Look at their garden area back there, and they have a little gazebo in the back.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at this little ackee tree with some ackees on it.
Yeah, it's right there. And see how they have the little walkways there? That's That's a neat idea. You know, we could do something like that.
And in the garden there, they have.
Wow. That's really beautiful. The landscaping is amazing. Wow. Oh, and they've got the little donkey pole cart, the figurine. Oh, these people have some bananas on this banana road that we're on. They've made a little courtyard in the front of theirs.
I wonder how long ago these
yeah, they kind of seem
were built, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe in the 70s.
Well, now this guy's got the little donkey figurine too. See? Yeah.
I saw it.
Yeah. That one in the last one had a little cart.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah. Oh, the landscaping here. You know, nowhere else in the world, I don't think. I mean, maybe there are other places. Now look here. They've gone light gray and dark gray. See that?
Yes.
On the colors?
Yes, I see. Yeah.
That's an interesting way to do it too. Yeah, I like that. I like the dark to be a little bit darker than that one, but only because the one I saw the other day I thought was so cool. Man.
You know, to have this beautiful lawn, you surely have to have a gardener.
Well,
to come
yeah,
and do
yeah, that's true.
You know, landowners would never able to keep up.
I don't know. You know, it's like it's so beautiful here. I don't know what to film. The house colors, or the plants, or the grass. You know, or the. It's a little overcast back where I'm aiming, but if I look over this way, people, look at that. How's that for a blue sky? You know?
Very blue.
Yeah, it's bright blue.
A navy blue, you'd call it?
Well, not quite, but it's close. Oh, and then some of them have, see how they've done the corners there?
Yeah.
That old,
the old
colonial style?
Yeah, that old style. Yeah, I see many also.
So you can just do whatever you want, you know?
I don't like it. It's nice and the houses that I see, but
you don't want
I wouldn't. No, I would not do it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It looks so old-fashioned.
Oh, now look how they've done the front of their wall here. See how they've done the front of their wall?
Yeah.
Put the little tiles.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Nice.
Yeah, that's kind of a cool way to do that, actually. I like that. Let me take a look here. Okay.
I don't think if it was yesterday, you could be moving like this.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm glad we came on a Sunday morning when the traffic's not bad, because you're right. If I was trying to go this slow on a Saturday,
they'll be blowing you out of the road.
All the houses are the similar style, but yet we'd gone down 3 or 4 roads before you mentioned it. Before I did, I didn't even realize it, because each house is a different color and the landscapes are to die for. And I understand they've gotten some awards up in here, and I can't wait to go to Belmont. What's this? Bridgemount.
Yeah.
Next, but I just don't have enough battery. And I think I mentioned the other day that we've got some batteries ordered that we should have in a couple weeks. And then we could have continued on with the tour and maybe just done 2 videos. But we're going to call it quits for today and head back so I can get something posted for you all. And so I hope you all are having a blessed Sunday and enjoy this big surprise that we finally had coming to Orange Grove. It was worth every bit of the hype that we've heard about it, and we really love it. And scooch over by me because I got this zoomed a little bit, sweetie. Okay. Okay, so people, be sure and like, share, and I love to read all your comments, and subscribe. We've got a little ways to go and we'll hit 6,000 subscribers, so we're really going for it, you know what I'm saying? And subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal.
And have a blessed day.
Blessings and respect. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later.